I've been renovating my 1914 home by myself for the past 4 years, teaching myself how to do everything from drywall to building my kitchen cabinets from scratch. But now everything is changing. I'm no longer going it alone because my sister Brittany is joining me. You may know Brittany as the queen of demo, as seen here in my DIY kitchen renovation, and now she's joining me to work on old homes together full time, starting with finishing my home. And the best part, we're sharing it all with you. Together, we are the Reno sisters. Really exciting home news today. So, when I first moved into my 1914 Craftsman 5 years ago, there was carpet all in the upstairs. And that carpet was not only gross, but also full of mold because the upper AC unit filter had not been replaced in years. So then it just filled all of the ducting with mold, which had spewed all in the carpets. So one of the first things I had to do as a homeowner was call Brittany, and Brittany came out and ripped out all the carpet while I was still working. We threw it all away, but it did mean that it's just been plywood subfloor up there for 5 years now. So this is incredibly exciting because it means that it's finally gonna have flooring, and not just any flooring. I've been saving up for this and planning for this because I want it to be the same antique heart pine flooring from the downstairs, because my goal is to make that upstairs 90s attic renovation look like it could be original to this 1914 home. So that means we have lots of reclaimed flooring coming, but first we have to do a lot of prep. Hello friends, we have spent the last couple days moving every single item that has been stored upstairs, downstairs, and today is exciting because the flooring is getting delivered. But before that, we need to remove all of the trim that will be touching the floors in this room. So we have our pry bars, our step finders, our cat supervisors, and we're ready to get started.
Let's do it, peeps.
But before we keep going, we do want to stop and thank HelloFresh for sponsoring this video, because this is my favorite renovation hack to share, which is that I do not like to create a very elaborate dinner for myself every night after a long day of working in my house.
Cooking is hard enough as it is, but on top of a renovation,
No. So this is what I like to do. I'll get HelloFresh and I'll get the 6-portion meal, prepare it all at once, and then we'll eat what we can in one sitting, and the rest will go in the fridge to snack on throughout the week. And what I also love about the new HelloFresh is that they've updated the recipes to have even more veggies and premium protein options that are not marked up compared to, say, chicken. So I can get things like Atlantic salmon and cod and get a lot more bang for my buck. And I get these protein-packed meals that I can eat healthily throughout the week.
and they look delicious.
And they look delicious. How is it?
Good.
It's really good. The sauce is amazing. And if you want to try the new HelloFresh too, you can use our code RenoSistersHFZW at HelloFresh.com, and that gets you 10 free meals and free breakfast for life. Free meals are applied as a discount on the first box for new or returning subscribers only, varies by plan. You can sign up today by clicking the link below, or again, using our code RenoSistersHFZW at HelloFresh.com. Now Brittany, eat up, because we're about to head back to the study.
There's always more work to do.
Always. So the flooring installer's been working on the floors for several days now. Now we're just waiting for more flooring to arrive, but it already looks so good.
Amazing.
It looks so good.
Oh, good.
Bear in mind that it is not sanded yet. It will all eventually be the same color. It has many years of different finishes on it.
However,
Even
looking at it right now, it is a 10 out of 10 upgrade from that nasty carpet that wasn't here.
Yeah.
And then the concrete floors.
Concrete?
Or whatever floor?
Plywood.
Plywood. Or that.
Or that.
Or that.
Yeah, thankfully no concrete on the second
I was
floor.
like, wait, that doesn't make sense.
Yeah. So it looks great. Very excited for the rest to be in. And we're going to go ahead and give you a tour.
Prepare yourself. It already looks so much warmer up here.
What do you mean?
Well, just like the natural wood coming out, the brown tones, the light
Oh, yeah.
reflecting it. It's amazing.
It's always been a very gray space.
Yes, gloomy. Like you did not want to be in here. This is why it was the storage catch-all room, because it was just meh. So the tour is, these are the floors. And this is the missing piece, but we ignore that part because the rest looks amazing. But don't worry about it. See, this is where you really get to like the different
Beautiful.
shades
Yeah.
of what's going on.
So this actually, it looks really cool, but it's not going to stay like this.
I know, I kind of love it, but it's not what it is.
It's definitely like very cool, but it's not the vibe we're going for. We definitely want to make it match the floors downstairs.
Which was the whole point of why we're doing it.
Also, we have no idea what's on this. This might be like tar or lead, so.
Yeah, so this is reclaimed wood from multiple houses, different rooms in every house. So we're at a variety at the moment. And the whole point is to make it look a bit more uniform, like it actually was always here and not an addition that we're having to add.
Yeah.
So
But isn't it pretty? So it runs, oh, hello.
she matches it, honestly.
Well, she's trying to.
Uh-huh.
So it runs this way toward this little window here. And then it runs all the way down the hallway. And into the other room to the other little window. How cute.
And it's all parallel to the staircase.
Yes.
Yes, it looks amazing.
They're doing a really great job. They're being super thorough to try to make everything look good.
But also respectful of the reclaimed wood.
Yeah, I'm
which
really
is quite
happy
nice.
with our installers. They're like
yeah.
a husband, wife, and son team. And don't mind the insulation. I was in the attic today. But yeah, then it'll be a step up into this room. So they're going to work on how to make that step blend in. But
Kitty knocked over the light.
she knocked over the light.
Yeah.
Yes, get out. Horrible. Anyway,
Where were we?
down this hallway, and this room is the mirror copy of the other room that we just saw that flooring in, and so you see some scraps here, but we're just waiting on the rest to arrive. It's like the beautiful grain. And as a reminder, all of this is 100+ years old and is also from old growth trees, which were completely cut down to make floors like these and houses like these. So you can't buy this flooring anymore. It all has to be salvaged from places that are being torn down.
And tell them what old growth means lengthwise for what we're able to get.
Well, the other great thing about buying reclaimed wood. Yeah, do you like it too?
She does. She said, I did embarrass myself though.
Are you a historian?
Okay.
Oh, wow. So as she was saying, the flooring planks are much longer than you would get with new flooring, where it's gonna run like 2 to 8 feet long in varying lengths. We're getting mostly 8 to 12 foot boards in here, which just makes it look really long and lovely and not as patchy as you would expect.
The flow of it
flooring
is much
to be
better, but you can't buy that nowadays
You can't buy it nowadays.
unless you reclaim it.
Okay, so next steps, we're waiting for more flooring to arrive, and then the rest will be installed. They'll sand it, they'll make sure there are no squeaks, they'll fill all the gaps, and then we're gonna see if we have to stain it to match the bottom or if we leave it kind of a raw color. We'll show you all that when it happens. And then the next steps up here will be for us to come in and add all of the trim to try to make it look as close of a match as possible to downstairs.
It'll be nice not to walk up the stairs and go, oh,
Oh,
we're in a different house now.
yeah.
Like the downstairs, yes. Upstairs, work in progress.
Work in progress.
Work in progress.
It's gonna be good.
Yes.